Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a creepy ghost. It's gonna be super simple, easy, and for beginners. So if you love Halloween and you love drawing anything from Halloween or anything for that matter, hit the subscribe and press the bell notification. Also hit that like button if you do like the context of this video. Thank you so much. So let's get started, okay? Also stick around till the very end of the video, by the way. It's only about 8 minutes. So in 8 minutes, if you stick with it, you will have a brand new skill, okay? Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna go top over here and I'm going to draw the top of the head here. I'm gonna pull up over here for the arm of the ghost. Up over here, where it's going like woo. Gonna go over here for the ghost eyes, and I'm gonna put these dots here initially. And I'm gonna pull up over here, smaller line here, line over here, line over here. I want it to look like somebody pushed in his eyes, you know, the blankets. And that's gonna make it look kind of like creepy, you know, like, oh, wow. All right. Gonna go over here to this arm and I'm gonna pull down. Going over here, this arm right here, pull down. All right. Pull down for the body, and I'm gonna give it this kind of like genie type thing going on with the tail kind of spinning off there. Gonna pull in over here, up, like so. And we got that tail there. So we have our general shape of our ghost. The creepy part comes from within. Quote that, feel free to quote that. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it like these screwed up teeth. I'm gonna pull over here to the left, down here, curve, up. Gonna go down here, pull down, cross, up. And the teeth are gonna be this really thin squares. Oh, I yawned. I'm sorry. Gonna go over here, open mouth, open mouth. I'm gonna pull teeth up, like so. Well, first thing I'm gonna draw the entire mouth there at the bottom. Then I'm gonna pull up. Like so. Okie doke. I'm gonna fill in the inner part of this, so it'll be, you know, obviously it's dark looking into the open mouth. So I'm gonna fill that in. Oh, there's a fly. Wow, I thought I destroyed that fly. Oh dear. Now he's annoying me. Get it. Oh, ouch. That hit me. Okay, anyways. I'm gonna continue to fill this in. It's kind of filling in this part here. So let's start to age him. Okay, he's obviously like, you know, like, I don't know what he's made of, but maybe, you know, people always compare him to cloth or water. So we want to throw little folds coming out from here, like it's twisting, like he's made of maybe twisted cloth. Just making it look like that gives it this strange look. And it's going to be these thinner lines. Pulling out from here, pulling out from there. Pulling over here. Pulling over here. Just kind of throwing these thinner lines right here with the form, right, of what's going on, and try to vary them up. I think mine are just too even right now. They're too evenly spaced. To make them look more organic, the best thing to do is to pull them and to just kind of vary the length and the size of each one and how much they're spaced. Line over here, and I forgot the mouth is opening underneath, so you want to draw like that, the bulging out of that mouth, right? So like so. Throw another line here, and the reason these look like detail is because these lines are thinner than the outside lines that are containing this whole thing. So you kind of have to make sure they're thinner by pressing down less on them. You have to press down less hard, and it'll create a thinner line. Alrighty. Just pulling that downward. And that's mostly it. You can kind of keep going with this, but that is good enough. I want to keep most of the center portion of it, pretty clean. Thank you so much. That was a creepy ghost. If you enjoyed that, hit that like. Also, if you got any value from this video, please do me a huge favor. Hit the share. Share it anywhere. Press it takes 2 seconds and it's free. You press share and then auto share it to Twitter or Reddit or anything you're already logged in for. It takes 2 seconds and it makes a huge impact here on the algorithm. And I can tell when people do it, so I love it. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time, and I'll hang out soon, okay? So keep it easy.